Hello, my name is Simon and I like to solve math problems. Today we are going to factor completely this expression x squared minus 12x plus 36. The first way I'm going to use is where we have I don't know what this method is called. I forgot what it's called, but it's where you have this x right here, and up top is going to be your a times c, and at the bottom is your b value. And so you can think of this as the a value, this is the b value, this is the c value. And so I'm just gonna put an arrow here. So my a value is 1, right? Because there's an invisible 1 right here. And so a times c, so it's gonna be 1 times my c value is 36, so that's gonna be 36 is up top, and at the bottom is gonna be my b value, which is negative 12, right? And so now I want to find values. Let's see, how can I write this? I want to find values right here and over here, two values, right, that multiplies to 36, and when you add those two values you get negative 12, right? So I'm gonna just go with negative 6 and negative 6. And why did I choose that? Because, well, negative 6 times negative 6 gives me the 36 up top, and negative 6 plus negative 6 gives me the negative 12 at the bottom, right? So knowing that, now I can rewrite this as x squared. Now instead of the negative 12x, it will be the negative 6x. Sorry, my pen can work. Minus 6x. So I'm going to write these two values down here. And you'll see that the negative 6x minus negative 6x gives me the negative 12x, like from the original expression. And then carry the 36 down, so plus 36. So this is exactly the same as the original problem that we had. It's just that the negative 12x, I split it into minus 6x minus 6x. So now with that, we're gonna have to factor this, right? So I'm gonna close the x squared minus 6x. Sorry, my pen is not working today. And I'm gonna plus the negative 6x plus 36. All right, so this is exactly the same. I'm just wanna now factor this side. I'm gonna factor this now. So what I end up having is I'm gonna factor out an x. So we have x minus 6, and you can see this is correct because if we distribute this x right here, x times x give me that x squared from the top, and the x times negative 6 give me that negative 6x. And so the next, we're gonna factor out this right here. So I'm gonna factor out, let's see, sorry, my pen is not really working today. I'm gonna factor out a negative 6. All right, so we'll have the negative 6. If you distribute that, you get negative 6 times x gives me that negative 6x at the top, and negative 6 times negative 6 gives me that positive 36. And the goal of this is I do want this to be the same over here as well, these two to be the same. So that is one of the factors. So now I'm gonna so the answer is gonna be x minus 6 and x minus 6, right? So here, actually, I can make it less confusing. Since the x minus 6 right here is the same as this one, that's gonna be one of them. And I want this x minus 6 right here to be that'll be the other factor down here, right? So that is my answer is x minus 6 times x minus 6, or you can rewrite that as x minus 6 square. And that is the final answer. That is the factor for factoring this x squared minus 12x plus 36.